Good evening, depending where you are watching me from. And I want to thank all the whole Biafrans all over the world, all of us of freedom, all over the world, both in diaspora and in home. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to appreciate all men on ground, to honor my boss, the Chief of Armed Forces in Biafra Nation. I want to honor you. You are a great man. Igwe Butozo, the Triple General, your humble servant, and your humble son, Onyezoku, the Major General, Gentle, is honoring you. I want to appreciate you, sir. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to let Biafrans know and make the world to understand, because I strongly believe that this time around is a time of revolution. It's a time that we need to speak up. It's a time that we need to confess all our sins, because revolution always goes with a pure heart. And I want the world to understand this today. I want to use today, being 15th of April, to make the world to understand this and to make Biafrans also to understand this. Because we are Igbos and we are Biafrans. We love each other. We love our people. And that's why we bring our life out to sacrifice our life for our people. And that's why we are fighting, agitating for Biafrans. And that's why we are not afraid of anyone or any man on this life. Opposodima, you are a Mafians. And I must make our people to understand this today. Let everyone hear me clearly. And if you got this information, make sure you share this information. And make sure you like it and share it up. Opposodima is an evil man. Yes, you are a governor of the people, the same people that are doing the same thing that you are doing. You are a leader of the corruption and corrupt leaders in Southeast.
Okay, guys, I just wanted to react on this video. This is a message from Commander Gentle, or General Gentle. Many of you have watched this video. Many of you have watched, I know. But there's something that prompted me to share it with us. I know the way I played it from beginning without saying any word, that some of you will feel bored. Why are you watching again what I've watched before? I know that. But for the sake of the information that I want to share with us, based on what Gentle said here, I don't want to venture into issue or talk about or just to devote time analyzing any issue that has to do with the Biafran Liberation Army or anything at all, even the one of Nigerian Army. We only talk about the insecurity and crimes going on and other the enablers, which many people have criticized Nigerian Army of that. I don't defend them on that. I'm not saying they do not. I'm not saying they have not committed those things that people are saying about. But I don't think it is necessary for me to come out and start analyzing the Biafran Liberation Army or trying to analyze Nigerian Army. Everybody, even black people, know the truth. Those who choose to lie are lying for the sake of what they're gaining and what they're benefiting from that. One thing I love about Gentle and the Biafran Liberation Army is this. No matter what people say, they always stand on what they feel that is so good for them. It's not about supporting A or supporting B. It's about, at the end of the day, our land. That sometimes people criticize some of their decision is based on the outcome. Like, for example, you like somebody and you know that that person is doing something that's going to end up hurting that person, and you yourself know. Calling it out does not mean that you hate the person. You're actually trying to save him for what he don't know that may happen to him. And I will leave it there. What he said here is something that many of you already are aware of, some are not aware of it. Compare his words, what he said here, and what you used to hear from those who are claiming that they love them and they are representing them and that nonsense they're saying. You can see the difference. Gentle and Biafran Liberation Army, all of them, if not many of them, if not all, are not in contact with um, those noise makers, those who want to say something and claim, you know, that they are in control of everything, whereas they are not. I don't want this video to be too long. All I want from you is to like the video, share it, and subscribe. Comment and tell us your own side of the story about what you are going to discuss on this video. I cannot guarantee you that the video is not going to be long. It could be, because the 3 videos that are going to listen to from Gentle here, they are 6 minutes plus. 6 minutes plus. So they are 6 minutes plus into 3. So when you made it together with our own way of, you know, explaining what we can make out of from the video, it may get to that number minutes that you may not like. But calm down and follow it step by step. Let's continue.
Because I know you are the chairman of the Southeast governors. If you tell them to move, they move. If you tell them not to move, they will not move. One, you are the one holding in Africano. I have come up today.
Did you hear that? You are the one holding Mas Namorokano. Did he say any other person? He called the name, he spelled it out. Remember, when you hear people like Showore and other, other people saying that Southeast politicians, they are the one holding Mas Namorokano, that is not federal government. You see the reason? That is just the gospel. Federal government, of course, their hands and they are holding him, yes, because you must. Is it everything that the Southeastern governors told them or said to them that they are doing? The answer is no. So they choose this one because they somehow it's not their business. But when the governor and the people who claim they are leading your region are the one pushing and telling federal government not to release their brother, so who are you going to blame for that? But when you say that, the whole person of fan will tell you, that he need to go to court and face the law. But we know the people stopping that. Let's continue.
15th of April 2025, 2025, to expose you, because revolution is about to happen, and it must happen. It must come to pass. Purpose of them, remember, the problem that we are having today with you is just because of you called us. Not only me. Purpose of them, I have a meeting with you, together with my triple general, Zuma the Rock, Sky, B44, and with all the rest of the commanders. Purpose of them, we have a meeting together. Purpose of them, you ask my master, the triple general, to lead Biafra. Purpose of them, you ask us, you engage us in some certain work that we have to do for you, thinking that we will accept you, thinking that we will accept that. Purpose of them, one, you are a vampire. Okay. Secondly, you are a homolist under Fulani jihadists. Fulanis are sleeping on you.
Wow.
They are raping you. They are sleeping with you. And that is why you build a homolic section in Owerri. Purpose of the map, I have come up today to make it clear for our people to understand the kind of barbarism human being, the kind of leader that calls himself a leader. Purpose of the map, you try to engage us to work for you. Purpose of the map, you promised us that you will give us oil well to control. Purpose of the map, you try to engage us to work for you in the area of kidnapping, assassination, by attacking your opposition parties. Purpose of the map, you told us that you want us to set Agbo to Aka of Mbano so that you can be able to become a governor. And whenever you become a governor,
So that is part one. This is just for you to know the problem that Biafran Liberation Army are facing and the enablers, those who are forcing the problem insecurity in our land. I know why I'm emphasizing on this. Keep on listening, please, because you will hear some broadcasters who have vowed to become vampire murderers. Why do I call them murderers? They use their mouth, they use their tongue, tying people as that is they will be the first to tell you, oh, now they going to buy, there are few, and I'm not going to call the name of this video. There are few, not one. I know many of you are always thinking about the woman. She's not alone. There's another guy. There are few. They channel everything to Ngozi Orabueze, that she's the one buying our people. You are now hearing it from the right source. And even after this video has been released, their own reaction to this video will shock you. Then you will use your phone and log in on to the platform supporting them. You also are partaker of their evil. Because you know, like I said here, if I know that COS truly, with evidence and facts, that she is committing one crime to another, enabling loss of our people, our people losing their life, shedding blood in our land, whoever you are, I can't support you. Never. If you are defending yourself, that one is different. But this issue of because I don't you don't support me, let me plan to buy you. Anybody, if Okenkere is doing that or CS is doing that, I will come out here and say it, because that is worst. In every society, you must have opposition, and the time you realize that you need to respect your opposition to their own belief and their own faith is now. We need to start learning that. Yes, I agree that it's quite painful for you to see somebody countering what you are doing. It is normal, learn it. That no matter, even in the church. But this idea of anybody that go and stand that say they have different belief or refuse to accept what you want, you start calling for their head. You need to stop it. That is why anybody that buy in our land or anything, if I hear people talking about, oh God, I know that you are lying, because this is the same thing they say to PM. How can we, follow PM, understand that his hands are clean in all these lies and propaganda that people love to cook, because he is stopping your business, he is not in line with what you think. You started calling him name, painting the person black. If you ever support PM, when DS are calling him name, giving him fake name, and now you are engaging in calling CS name, when you know that he's not the one, you are a murderer. And let's continue, because this video, maybe this is not a live broadcast. Okay, this video may open some people's eyes. Even if it's two people that understand this message, I will be happy. Because internet, one of them used Ugo 247 broadcast or video a few days ago, ranting and twist everything upside down. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. And you are watching and you are calm. Do you know that to do bad thing is very, very easy? Very, very easy. One of the easiest things to do in this life is to do bad. But to do good is more very difficult. It may be very easy. Doesn't have a war. Why I'm saying that is that you that are trying to blackmail people, there are other things also to say against you or to do against you to shut you up. But that thing, at the end of the day, it will be evil. Must we do evil to reset your brain? Let's continue.
You ask us to go and attack our own brother, the Biafra man, being, what is that his name? Atakokwa. What is that his name? Yeah, that is his name. Purpose of the man, you remember? You remember? Told us that we should go and attack Ugochine.
Okay.
But we said no. Purpose of the man, we only give you the reason and the what that we need. Purpose of the man, you told us that you will bring to us a treated green leaf in Igbo. Purpose of the man, remember, was the one that told you that we don't need that your own. That your treated Igbo. That we prefer the one that we are using. Evil man, you have planned a way to poison something and bring to us. Purpose of them, we refuse that we can never attack any of our people. You now move on and use another group, your policemen, to attack Ugochine.
Pay attention. After he told them, offered them those things, they refused. And he went on to use state security agents to attack Ugochire and many other crimes. And the fake broadcasters are now telling that Ngozi that she's the one. Also pay attention on this video to know if ever Gentle mention COS in this video or anybody related to her. Let us go through all this because I know that many of you will not have time, or even if you have time, you may not reason it this way. Once you hear them shouting in the name of broadcasting or making video, you may buy to their nonsense. If you want to, anyway, let me not go there because some of you, I don't want you to, oh, you are telling people to follow. I don't want to tell you who to follow. But I want you to understand who are following. Let's continue.
I want the world to understand this. That Hope Uzodinma is an evil man. And I want the international community to investigate this evil man that calls himself a Hope Uzodinma. He's an evil man.
Okay.
And if Hope Uzodinma is denying that he did not have any meeting with Gentle and with my master and not the rest of the commanders, if Hope Uzodinma swear over this, Hope Uzodinma must die. And I am standing, making the world and our people to understand the kind of evil man that Hope Uzodinma is. Standing family are standing in the bank,
Otua.
telling our people this. If Opus Odima did not have meeting with me and my master, with other commanders, let I not be alive and see Biafra. But if Opus Odima have this kind of meetings, have this meeting, and have a meeting with me and my master, telling us a way to live Biafra struggle, telling us a way to betray Nnamdi Kanu, the same way who else betrayed Nnamdi Kanu, the same way who else sold Nnamdi Kanu. Let the cost of the land and the Biafran land judge Hope Uzodimma. I have a witnesses. If Hope Uzodimma is denying what I am saying today, being 15th of April 2025.
Okay.
Tony Chukwu in Mbano, Ehime Mbano. Tony Chukwu in Umeze 1 is aware of what I am saying. The same this Tony Chukwu is the one that told us how to humiliate Ago Twaka, his own brother, that he has been a problem to them. And we said no. We can never try something. We can never do it. We are only fighting for our freedom, and we are only defending our motherland, and we are only protecting the life and the properties of our own people. Sir White is included. AKA Sir White is included. Let Hope come and explain to the Southeast. Let Hope come and explain what is going on in Igbo land.
Okay.
Hope have sold Biafra land. But Hope, I am assuring you, I must be the one to kill you. I can never hide myself. Hope, I must be the one to kill you. And all those ones that you have been trying to kill, to humiliate, to assassinate. This is time of revolution.
Let me just put a disclaimer. We don't support killing or violence here. We are only trying to react on this video for people to understand the message, because not about who to buy or who to care and anything at all. We are not here to preach about that or support it. But people are using this man, this gentleman, if his name is gentle anyway, people are using this video to also call for the head of another people, trying to blackmail other people. After listening to the name that he pronounced in his video, after listening to everything he said here, people are still looking for a way to drag another person to that, to see if they can make sure that they eliminate everything that has to do with other people whom they perceive as their enemy. That's why we want you to clear your eyes to understand that whoever is going to do that or trying to call for the head of any other person, trying to link this issue, the atrocities of Hope Uzodimma, to COS or another Biafran, another innocent person, should be very careful, because in as much as you are criticizing Hope Uzodimma, you are committing the same thing that Hope Uzodimma have been said to have committed. Anything that said that you have committed, you yourself trying to paint another innocent person bad for you to elevate whatever you want to elevate. And understand that, I want to understand that I have not mentioned that, because I know some of them will listen to this and say, but you are against Ogegere. I am against what Ogegere is doing, not against Ogegere. They are two different things. I cannot call for the head of Ogegere or support people to go after him to eliminate or to buy him. No. I'm not joking. That is what it is. That I don't agree with your opinion does not mean that I'm in support. I'm preaching for you to go after your life. I am not life giver. I don't have any right to take people's life. And that is why anybody that comes after my own life, you will pay with your own. That's just it. Now, what Gentle said here is a very straight, statement. He did not hide mouth or trying to design it or paint it or rub it cream. He said he spelled it out. He called it what it is. He poured his mind. Anybody twisting this, you are as bad as Hope Uzodinma. Let's continue.
This is time for revolution. Let the international, the national, and internationals investigate Hope. Hope is an able man. I make it openly today. It has been a long time. That is the reason why, if you come up to speak out, they will look away to assassinate you, so that you can never expose their secret anymore. Today, I have exposed Hope Uzodinma, and I am a bona fide son of Biafra. I can never betray the cause of Biafra. I can never.
So that is the end of this one, right? Now let's go to the last part of the video, which is also 6 minutes 50 seconds. Just pay attention so that
It's been a long time.
Always pay attention. If what he said, he ever mentioned, if he ever mentioned anything COS or another Biafra, okay? And we are going to read a post from one of the people who keep on lying to Biafrans because he has platform. Listen.
That is the reason why, if you come up to speak out, they will look away to assassinate you, so that you can never expose their secret anymore. Today, I have exposed Hope Uzodinma, and I am a bona fide son of Biafra. I can never betray the cause of Biafra. I can never betray the land. I can never try it. It's better I die than to betray my nation. It's better I give up. It's better I am assassinated than to betray my nation. And I can never die. I can never be betrayed.
Okay.
I am out for who it may concern. I am fully out for the person. The Lord Almighty Chukwokabiyama have voted me for this. And I am to fight for Biafrans. For those of all those arrogant, DOLs, stupid and nonsense elements that are talking all sorts of manner of nonsense, saying that to kill securities and army police, that is not a way of fighting for freedom. Let me tell you, Nigeria must look you, and you must pay back. Either you pay back the money or you pay back with your life. The kingdom of God suffereth violence, and it is only the violent that can take it by force.
Okay.
Now before, when they deceive us, what you hear what I will again, I can't wait to wear. This time around, you must cut it by fire by force and collect what that belongs to us. This is their foundation.
Okay.
Releasing them the cattle today.
True.
Let peace reign in Southeast.
I'll try you.
The challenge to you people. Release me! Release me! If you release me, I give you only 42 hours. 2 minutes. Biafra land will be calm. Why can't you release the young man? What have the young man did to you?
Very good question.
Government. Release Simon Ekpa.
Okay.
All these governors and senators have already sold themselves.
Honestly.
They all are Islamic. They all have been a homeless in the hand of Fulani jihadists.
Hello.
Fulani has been sleeping with them, men to men. They have sold their souls. So life of the people that they are proclaiming that they are guiding, that they are ruling, that they are achieving on is nonsense before them. And that's why we are saying no to them. And that's why we say no to them. And they can never achieve their goal. Biafra land is not an Islamic nation. And it can never be.
Yes, sir.
Biafra is a Biafra.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Nigeria
sir.
is a business center, and Nigeria have never been a nation, and it can never be a nation. That's why we are standing firmly. Thank God today, Biafra has a name. Thank God today, our soldiers is standing firmly. Thank God today, we are standing strong. And thank God today, because of the Lamb has started his work upon all the enemies of Biafra all over the world. His Excellency, Donald Trump, we honored you, and we must keep on respecting you. Biafrans is not a terrorist group, and we can never be. Self-defense and self-determination is not a crime internationally, and it can never be a crime. We must defend the motherland today. Look at, since they burnt down 18 people in Kanu, since they have been raping our women in Enugu, since they have been carrying their cows all over the streets in Anambra. So, what have you done? Peter Mba, what have you done?
Very good question.
Ebonyi State Governor, what have you done? The evil ones we have. LSOT, I know your state is calm somehow, but fight the same fight you fought with Bobos on the minds, evil man. He has been trying to demolish Biafrans. Just Oga walk here. Upland, Oga walk. Now Upland, I know to show a bombard all over Biafran nation, all over Biafran territory. Proclaiming and claiming that you have nowhere Biafran liberation armies are staying. Tomorrow you will be hearing how he has been killing his own people, bombarding everywhere in the name of his fighting for terrorists and others. People that are only seeking for their freedom, people that are defending their motherland, people that are fighting and agitating for their freedom is a terrorist. The people that are massacring innocent people in Biafra land, in South, they are now a hunters. They are hunters of a woman.
My brother, that one shocked me. Oh. That one shocked. You see this issue of hunter of a thing. They moved from Boko Haram to herdsmen to bandit to now to hunters. Ike Gagun. People, and some are buying into that nonsense. Some are buying into that nonsense. You. I don't, the video is getting this is long, so I'm trying to just allow the video to play.
A woman, a hunters of human beings
Okay, go back.
and organs harvesters
Hi.
is now a hunter. Tunubu and organs have.
And you can never see anybody that would proudly confirm to us. Nobody have come out and proudly say that I bought so bush meat from them. They are hunters, right? How many of you have purchased bush meat from them? Hunters. Where are they selling the animal they hunt? Have you seen that? Hunter from Kaduna, from Sokoto to Biafran land. Instead of us to see them with the bush, we are seeing them with the easy man. And you see that because we are getting something from government, they're hunters. The annoying part again is that when you see their northern counterpart as a politician protecting their own, our own, we quick to the person that give them that hunter was it not the governor of Edo State? He started it, hunters. To the best of my knowledge, maybe I'm not right about it, but to the best of my knowledge, first time I'm hearing that is his statement as a governor. To tell his caliphate that this is what your people that bring bad, you are sorry, they are hunters. I have not seen any northern governor travel to Benue State to commiserate with the people. The one in Enugu, how many northerners have? Even to make, just pose for condemnation, nothing.
Bestars, a terrorist, Fulani jihadists, Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, Islam is now a hunter.
Okay,
It is only God that will judge all of you.
Honestly.
How many years do you think that you have to live in this life? Only but one day you must die and be born. But let me tell you, you see this earth, you people can never get it.
Yes, sir.
It does not belong to you people.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
my brother. Because it is very, very sad. Honestly. Very, very sad. Very, very sad. Very, very, very sad.
His Excellency Donald Trump, I throw a salute to you. Thank and God bless all of you.
That is the statement. Now I will quickly show or read out, because I can't flip this camera. It is a recording video, so I cannot flip the camera. I will read out what one of them said. Now let us hear this post first. Listen.
Yes, I did sure. The moment the thing happened, they sent me the vision.
Listen.
Fighting. Listen, the truth is this. Gentle lost his own brother, December. Yes. I did sure.
This is from our own Biafran brother Ugo 247. Hear this. I know I'm playing this. Listen.
The moment the thing happened, they sent me the vision. I see him. December, I see him. The vision in my phone now. Fighting. Listen, the truth is this. Gentle lost his own brother, December. Yes, I did sure. The moment the thing happened, they sent me the vision. I see him. December, I see him. The vision in my phone now.
Now, this is from the one of people who claim they see tomorrow, they know tomorrow. Trying to link, to twist everything. And let me read the post. This is just 3 hours at the time. He made this post at 3 hours before, as the time of recording this video. I don't know when you're going to watch the video, okay? He said, can anybody tell this Eziohia that when time comes, he will reveal the person that sent him the picture of the dead brother of General Gentle, and what purpose? Because he said immediately the thing happened, they sent him the picture, which means to confirm if he is really the person. Now, this person have similar character with the one in France. Why are you searching? The same character, the same manner, the same before. In fact, these two people, just two of them, they are the ones that have said unprintable, something that even you watching them will be like, you will be covering yourself on their behalf. You want to criticize, because this is just a clip that just, this is not the full video of this full statement of Go 247. That they said, just like me when I said that I saw receipt that proved that this money was sent to some people, those people that are in missionary school, that I have receipt. Somebody sent it to me. Then somebody will say, okay, since you say you have it, prove me, which means you are the one that know people that know who sent money. You know that kind of nonsense. You forgot what you yourself have been saying. You said that Master Mekano's wife slept with a Joffa. You said that he have children out of marriage. You have said that a Joffa. I'm not here to protect anybody. I'm just trying to tell you some of the things. This is just one that I can remember. That if you go deeper, you'll be shocked. Many of you follow him, you follow them, and all that. It's not something that he did for you. He's saying those things because you have personal problem with Ugo now. People may not know this. The one he said about Caterpillar, personal problem. Anybody that have issue with you You are looking for something to, so the Biafran will hate. And if anything happened to either person or somehow linked, something happened that linked to the death of anybody, because of your word and what you said, you are prideful. And that's why the Bible said that whoever that deprives someone's means of livelihood is a murderer. Book of Sirach. People need to open their eyes to understand who they follow. What does it mean to you? Are you following people because they are preaching the truth, or you are following them because they are very good in, escalating problem to create more problem? I said it before. Anybody, be you who, trying to call for the head of anybody, you will pay with your life. Whether you are doing it in favor of a Nigerian state, whether you are doing it in the name of you want to prove that you are Galadima in Biafra movement, whether you are doing it for Hanese, whether you are doing it for any person at all, learn how to maintain your lane. Somebody have right to choose whatever they want to choose. At the end of it all, the people whom you are fighting for freedom will see your activities and follow you. Not by eliminating people in the name of eliminating opponents. The only thing that you people want to, you guys have learned, or something that you guys want to put into practice is negative things. How you can buy your opponent, how you can call for the head of opponent. For how long are you going to do that nonsense? You have issue with this man who go to 47. All of a sudden, everything he says, and it happened that two of you have benefit from this man more than any other Biafran. And I'm not gonna go deep on that. Please, my people, like I said, I don't want to call him Daikado. I only mention name of why he's such a, because that one I don't have any. It does not reserve. I made it clear here. I don't want to center this one on her because her own statement against Ogotu for is a public domain, which we may touch if you have the time to do that. If maybe later. These are people, they were lying. Oh, you said that you go 247. That you go 247 said that the gentle brother was being pied and all that. And if you said that, oh, which means it's you. Oh, which means you are the one that pied. In Anokas. So for you to have intel about anything means that you are the one. When you told other PM that news in Finland, when you twisted it, which means you are the one that put PM with them. If that is how to judge issue, people are very crazy. My people, just like the video and tell me what to think about it. I just want to share this because a lot is going on. Today happened to be a very busy day to me, so I did not publish on time. But let's just go through this one and let me know what you think about your conversation. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. See you again and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.